Hi guys, back with another
Yes,
video.
I know, it's my
Sorry,
first
I've been
video.
gone for a long time. I don't know, I was busy. And I was on holidays, so I couldn't make much videos. Anyways, this is an unboxing video. Yep, I got a new iPhone 11 Pro Max. So, let's get on with it. Alright, sorry if you can't see it. Yeah, hold on. Bad boy. Oh, I always want to start. Take that off. It's a bit heavy. Alright, here's the moment I've been waiting for. Here's the phone. Wow. I like the rose gold back. Or is it gold? I'm not sure. Let's peel this off. Ah, always love that part as well. Decided to record on my phone. I'll be back in a minute. So what do I think of it? Well, I'm on it right now and it's pretty cool. Look at this. Yeah, this is my new one. And it's pretty cool. And I like it. It's big.
That's what she said.
Bigger than my iPhone X. Much bigger. It's bigger than my hand. Just about bigger. Anyways, that'll be it. The unboxing. There's a lot of stuff in the box. There was AirPods. Those, you know, had wide headphone, wide earphones. You know. There was charger, and there was the charging brick. Nothing interesting. All you wanted to see was the phone, of course. And it's beautiful, and I like it. I will buy a case, definitely. My mum already bought one, so yeah. Alright. Thank you for watching this video. If you liked it, please leave a like. If we reach 5 likes, I'll do another video either tomorrow or I will do another video. Tell me what I should buy. Yeah. Oh, and one thing. If you're new, please hit that subscribe button and hit the notification bell so you don't miss any of my videos. And it's me, Lil614. I'm not dead. Yeah.